Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of Tkinter tutorial for beginner. In this video, we are going to creating GUI window using object-oriented programming. In previous video, we created GUI window by using procedural programming. Let's get started. First, let me create a Python file with name main.py. The first things we have to import Tkinter. Okay, from Tkinter import all the classes and the functions defined within Tkinter module, and the next thing is class okay, window, and it is inherited from tk, and initialize the constructor okay, self. First argument is class name and second argument is self. Okay, self dot init, okay, and self dot title. Okay, I explained this all the method in the previous video. If you don't watch this, please watch it. Okay, I want to give it hello, and this okay, size of the window, okay, mean size 200, and icon self wm underscore icon bitmap. Okay, I see you. Here's here, and create the instance of the window class. Okay, and run the or start the main loop. Okay, if I run this, there's an oak. Okay, now you can see this is my window. It's same as before. In this video, we use object-oriented programming. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video.